Hey, how's it going, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your E46 seats from your E46 Sedan. This same procedure will most likely work for the coupe, except it may have an extra bolt. The reason I'm doing this is I need to get underneath the seat to clean, and because I'm going to be steam cleaning the entire interior carpet of the car, so we need to remove the seats. Now what you need is a hatchet, an extension, and a 16 mil. There are 4 bolts, one on each side, that you need to get to, and 1 bolt for the seat belt as well. All of them are 16 millimeters. So once you get those, so we'll get those now, and afterwards we'll try and remove the seat. Okay, so here's a quick little update. This car has been sitting for a while and those bolts have never been removed. I believe so. They were seized. So what I did was spray WD-40 on them a couple times, and I used my double impact wrench to get them off. They're 16 mil bolts, and also this is the bolt for the seat belt. You need to remove that too. That's also part of the seat, so you need to get that out too. So you get that out, and you guys can see exactly why I'm trying to remove these seats, so I can clean, like deep clean the carpet. So once I get that out, I need to deal with one of the bolts in the front, and then disconnect the battery before you disconnect the airbags underneath the seat. So we'll get to that in a minute. Again, we disconnect the battery. You only have to disconnect the negative side, but just to be safe, I disconnect the positive as well, so there's no current going to it. Now, the thing is, since we're dealing with the airbags, what I like to do sometimes, just to be safe, just for the cautionary, is to wait about 5-10 minutes before I start to unplug the airbag, the connection at the bottom, just so just to reduce the risk of anything happening. So I'm going to wait 5-10 minutes, then get back, then unplug the bottom cable and pull out the seat. Alright, now I move the seat all the way back. You can see why I need to give this thing a clean. Anyways, disregard that. That's something I'm going to be doing now. This is the cable that you need to unplug. So to do this, you just pull this tab up all the way and pull this out. Try to do this with one hand. As usual, it's tough. So try to angle this so you guys can see better. So you guys can see this. The water balls is the top. See that? Cable, pull this out all the way and pull it out, and there you go. Now you can remove the seat and get to doing what you need to do. Alright, so you do the same thing for the other one, and you can pull the seats out. So that's how you guys remove your E46 seats. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. Mine was a bit of a pain, to be honest, but we got these out. Now we can clean up the inside of the car. Alright, so catch you guys in a bit.